All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
You know, I got 5 kids, I'm not getting paid.
Okay.
Mr. Casey, a father of 5, has been raising his children alone and is now seeking child support from their mother. The financial burden? Overwhelming. He says he needs help to provide for their needs. The judge listens carefully but quickly picks up on inconsistencies. Something isn't adding up. What starts as a simple child support request turns into a deep dive into single parenting.
You want to get paid for raising your own kids?
If I gotta raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so you want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself?
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Because I'm a good person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
Guess good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
You know?
she did.
Like that movie? She got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, you know, that you want to do with placing her on child support.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't y'all have what does like that default stuff?
Yeah, you can do a default. Definitely, she was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for a motion for discovery?
Financial struggles and the court's role in ensuring fairness. The judge's sharp eye for detail holds both sides accountable, proving that when it comes to the well-being of children, honesty in court isn't optional, it's everything. Mr. Casey takes the stand, claiming he's been the sole caregiver for his 5 kids and that their mother was properly served but chose not to appear. The judge is ready to proceed with a default judgment. But first, she needs one key piece of information: the mother's income.
Mr. Casey?
Yes, Judge.
Do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, Judge. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So,
yes, Your Honor.
Let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45.
Okay.
47.
Is it 45 or 47?
Probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them. Sometimes you get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes you get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more time,
Sometimes you get 90.
and I'm not going to ask again because my patients are wearing very thin. How much money does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin, or?
And this is where things take a turn. Mr. Casey stumbles. His answers keep changing. 45, 47, 90. The numbers don't add up and the judge isn't buying it. A simple child support request has now turned into a battle for credibility. And in this courtroom, truth is the only thing that holds weight. Mr. Casey, do you want me to help you or not? Okay, I do. Yes, ma'am. 45. Okay. 47. Is it 45 or 47? Probably about 90. 45, 47, 90. You obviously came here to waste my time. No, I came to get paid. So which one is it, 45, 47, or 90? All of them. Sometimes she gets 45. You know what? Sometimes she gets 47. The judge exhales sharply, eyes locked on Mr. Casey. Her patience is gone. I'm going to ask you one more time and I will not ask again. How much does the mother of your children make? The entire courtroom holds its breath. Mr. Casey? He's got nowhere left to hide. Judge Vonda's patience? Gone. Mr. Casey scrambles to justify his case, throwing out random numbers with zero proof. No documents, no facts, just guesswork.
Look, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm sorry.
well, you know what? I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the
Judge.
table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day, and
sorry,
you came in
please.
here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me. And, I work hard and...
You know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful.
Yeah.
So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to
Thank you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're going to do it, though? All right.
And the judge? She's had enough. You want this court to enforce child support, but you can't even provide the basics? No numbers, no proof, just speculation. Her voice cuts through the room like a blade. This isn't a guessing game. This is court. And in my courtroom, honesty and preparation are the bare minimum. Mr. Casey pleads for help, but it's too late. The judge shuts it down. Case dismissed. Come back when you have real evidence, not excuses. And before wrapping up, she delivers a final warning. If you're serious about legal relief, get serious about the truth. Bring facts, be ready, or don't come at all. This wasn't just a dismissal, it was a lesson in accountability. Because in Judge Vonda's courtroom, the truth isn't optional. It's the only currency that counts. The courtroom shifts gears as Judge Vonda drops a wake-up call on default judgments. She doesn't sugarcoat it. In Texas, if you get served and don't show up to court, you've just handed the other side a free win. No arguments, no defense, just game over. And it gets worse. If you lie or play games with income numbers, you're not just hurting the other party. You're
Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back, and then at that time, hopefully, he has financial income information.
setting yourself up for legal disaster. This isn't just a lecture, it's real talk. Judge Vonda breaks it down so that no one watching makes the same mistakes. Because when it comes to child support, the system is built on facts, not fiction. The gavel drops. The case wraps, but the message hits even harder. Judge Vonda leans in with a final lesson. If you want to win in court, there's no substitute for honesty and preparation. Period. No fluff. No gimmicks. Just raw truth. This wasn't just courtroom drama, it was a masterclass in accountability. And now, it's your turn. Hit that subscribe button for more real stories, raw courtroom battles, and legal game you can actually use. Because when it comes to the legal system, showing up prepared isn't optional, it's everything.